Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be opening some homemade blowing box and an homemade egg. And I'm sorry that I didn't make the full video of the shout out because I accidentally get third shout out, but the ones that I opened some double spin light is the fourth shout out. So that's the last part, and I don't know. And guys, I'm sorry that I didn't have a video for a while. And so now let's get opening. So now let's have a dance first. I'll be back. Let's have a stop motion. Ah! Ooh, dun, 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 dun. So now guys, it's open the blind box. The blind box. I'm sorry for that. The blind box. And little eggy. For that footage on my camera. I'm gonna have a look see. So it's just charged. Okay, so guys, let's open them. So a lot of fun. So now guys, sorry for all of that furnish. Just that I didn't mention. Sorry. So now let's open first. It's the eggy. Okay guys, so I'm sorry. I'm silver up bunch. Okay, so guys, here's the eggy. I'm sorry you didn't see my face. So now let's see that. So now let's just put wait. So okay, so guys, so now let's just see if so now let's open it up. So we got a blind bag. So guys, take a closer look. Get the camera. There. It's like the blind bag. So now let's open it up. Just back the camera. So now let's just put back this. Yeah, let's open it up. So what do we get? Let's take a look, closer look. What do we get here? Oh, let's cut it again. Let's cut it again. Okay. I wish I don't cut enough the checklist. I'll be back. Okay, so what I got, guys, is a coin. So I'm not taking a look. Let's look. It's a little coin. Yeah. I don't see it. So now next we're opening our. So is it a blind box? So let's take down the closer looks. So let's open it up. Let's take a closer look. Wow. So now let's just cut it up. So this. So I see something. So I got so many cracks. So we get her some plushies. So we also get some Valentine's card from my mother's time. And we got also some boyfriend ball from Barbie. And the last thing on here is the checklist. Hopefully I didn't cut it. So now let's take over. So guys, Marty the alien. So she's like this one. She's small and she's so squishy. So let's do the squishy time. So guys, the camera is so put in there. Now squish it. Wow, it's super good, guys. Let's remove it. Squishy. So I hope you enjoy it.